Hours before the start of the August SAT, the College Board released a major update to its SAT preparation materials, and we here at Prepworks are here to bring you through it. Make sure to watch the whole video so you'll know exactly how to get those final few points on test day, and we're going to make this one pretty quick so you can get right back to cramming. We're also going to make sure to put all the links in the description so you can follow along. I'm currently at the My Practice dashboard of the SAT preparation homepage. Again, we'll have the link in the description. I've got an example student here who's taken 5 practice tests. We see all of the scores right here. We got 1580s, 1520s, and a 1480. All right, here's the first part of our new feature. Firstly, when we click on any of these yellow buttons that say score details, let's choose this one, all right? We're going to see all the different domains and skills and how you perform on them. Okay, this is a completely new feature, and each of these is going to tell you how you're performing. So you have easy, all right? You have the easy level, the medium level, and the difficulty level of hard. All right, easy indicates you're still learning, medium says you got a solid understanding, and hard says you've pretty much mastered the skill. Every time you take a test, it's going to give you all of these numbers automatically, again, in the My Practice dashboard. All right, but how can you use all of these numbers to practice specific skills? Well, let's see. So let's see, this student here needs to practice their geometry and trigonometry. So what we're going to do here, all right, we're going to go back to the My Tests dashboard. Then we're going to hit Student Question Bank. When we click on the Student Question Bank, we're able to tailor a set of practice questions to you. And again, you can see those results here for any test you take. So let's say we click SAT, Math, and Geometry and Trigonometry. We're going to hit Continue. Now, if we want to click the button that says Exclude Active Questions, we're going to exclude anything that's on a practice test. So if you don't want to spoil your practice test, make sure to click this button. Then, because I'm already at a medium level, I'm going to find a hard level. So we click hard here. It's going to give us only questions that are rated hard. Now, if I click on these, I can export these and make them a PDF with answers or without answers so I can practice as much as I want. And that's that. Make sure to check out our other content to get ready for the SAT.